Now let's see one more component of working node, specifically working node, that is container runtime interface. So this is container runtime interface. The CRI, a container runtime interface, is a plugin interface which enables the kubelet to use a wide variety of container runtimes without having a need to recompile the cluster components. You need a working container runtime on each node in your cluster so that the kubelet can launch pods and their containers. A pod and their containers. The container runtime interface CRI is a main protocol for the communication between the kubelet and container runtime. The kubelet's container runtime interface defines the main gRPC protocol for the communication between the cluster components, kubelet, and container runtime. So next, the API, which makes all these things possible. The kubelet acts as a client when connecting to the container runtime via gRPC. The runtime and image service endpoints have to be available in the container runtime, which can be configured separately within the kubelet by using the image service endpoint and container runtime endpoint command line flags. These are the two flags which we gonna use. Then garbage collection, the last one. Garbage collection is a term for the various mechanisms Kubernetes used to clean up cluster resources. This allows the cleanup of resources such as terminated pods. We want to terminate the pods. We want to clean up the completed jobs, and we want to clean up objects without owner references and unused containers and container images and dynamically provisioned persistent volumes with storage class reclaim policy. So all those things will be cleaned up and put it in garbage collection. This is what we call it as a garbage collection. And nodes deleted in the following scenarios, such as on cloud when the cluster uses a cloud controller manager, on premises if the node is on premises when the cluster uses an add-on similar to cloud controller manager, whatever it may be. So all these kind of things will be deleted using garbage collection.